electoral bonds and chunavi chanda, or jo somebody asked from this side as to how the disclosures can be made through the political parties as to how much they collected. So, as regards electoral bonds, Commission has always been in favor of transparency right from the stage when we submitted our stand in the Honorable Supreme Court. Again, in a democracy, there is no scope for hiding things. Democracy is all about making everybody know, aware, transparency, information. It must be shared. We are all for it. So this is the first part of the entire exercise. It must be known. The country has to now also ask and find solutions to an institutional mechanism where the donor's privacy is also considered, is a point in question. We have made it compulsory for all political parties to make the contributions they are receiving. The answer to this side as to the declarations are made on the donations. Every political party is required to, under the guidelines, to make declaration to us on the contributions they receive. Also in the annual accounts, how much they have collected, how much they have spent. Also, after every election, they are supposed to give us an account of what they spent in that particular election. Supposing assembly election has taken place, we have contested, we have spent so much. And we publish it on the website of the Commission for everybody to know what is happening. And this we have now made digital. But the unaccounted money which is used in the elections, on which during the elections we are very particular to control it. But how do we also control the donations in the unaccounted form is something which the entire nation has to work together. How the donor's privacy is also protected. He is not harassed. How it is channelized. How it is more and more white. In the digital age, there must be almost no scope. It must be a very, very less cash economy. I am speaking from my old finance days, but it must be very, very less cash economy, and therefore one has to think of it, and I am sure some better system will evolve where it becomes like that.